2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.